To drop a pin on iPhone, first, open the Maps app. Then move around the map by swiping and zooming until you find the exact location you want to mark. Then press and hold your finger on that exact spot for about 1 second until a pin appears on the screen. Then release your finger and the dropped pin will lock onto that location. Now tap the pin if you want to see the address or more details. And if the location is slightly off, tap Move and adjust it to the exact position you want. Then tap Done to confirm. And that is how you drop a pin on iPhone, step by step, quick and accurate. And this works because iPhone Maps uses long press gestures to create a marker on any point, even if there is no address, which makes it perfect for saving or sharing precise locations. Subscribe for more iPhone tutorials like this. Like the video and comment what you want next.